National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, southern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a large severe thunderstorm extended from near Wayona to near El Paso, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gridley around 3:35 p.m. Streeter, Flanagan, and South Streeter around 3:40 p.m. Cornell around 3:50 p.m. Pontiac around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Dana, Ransom, Kangley, Rutland, and Long Point, including the following Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 204. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, north-central, and northeastern Illinois. These are dangerous storms. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, north-central, and northeastern Illinois.